You came across smoother than whiskey over ice. Should've seen sooner through the disguise. You're feeling no shame as I'm cursing your name in the bottom of the glass. I need a chaser after my shot with you. A little sweetness after the pain you put me through. I've come to realize what's best on myself. You're proof that I don't need no bottom shelf. I need a chaser after you. Now that I'm sober, I see that you ain't that fine. Now that it's over, I'm taking back what was mine. I'm done sipping lies, I've severed the ties and cut that monkey loose. I need a chaser after my shot with you. A little sweetness after the pain you put me through. I've come to realize what's best on myself. You're proof that I don't need no bottom shelf. I need a chaser after you. I need a chaser. I'm done with the rocks, I'm done with the shots. It's time to shake things up. 'Cause a boy like you close to heartache or two when I'm done with the hangover. I need a chaser after my shot with you. A little sweetness after the pain you put me through. I've come to realize what's best for myself. You're proof that I don't need no bottom shelf. I need a chaser after you. After you. I need a chaser after you.
This dance is called Chasing Shots, choreographed by Maddison and Simon Ward. It's a 32 count, 2 wall rolling 8 count line dance. There's one restart in this dance. Section 1, starting with the right foot. Step right foot to side, slightly to right diagonal. Cross, side rock, recover, flick your right up and behind. Cross, side, 1 inch and right. Back, sweep your left, facing 130. Back, sweep your right, 1 inch and right, square to 3. Back, touch, bend your knee slightly. Forward, together, quarter turn left, cross. Back to 12. Section 2, 3/4 turn left. Step right foot to side. Keep your weight on your right, making a 3/4 turn to your left, stepping forward, now facing 3. Step forward, pivot half turn left, weight on your left, sweep your right, now facing 9. Cross, side, rock back, 1 inch and right, facing 1030. Forward, 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 hit your right, 1/8 turn left, step right to side, facing 9. Section 3, side, cross, side, point right foot towards right diagonal, side, cross, side, point left foot towards 730, sway hips, left, right, bend your knees, recover weight to your left, facing 730, hit your right, make a half turn left, back, half turn left, forward, facing 730. Last section, 1/8 turn left to 6, side, cross, side, together, cross, side, behind, side, cross, side, behind, hit your left into figure 4, behind, side, cross. And you start over again. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and In the stance during wall 2, you will dance 24 counts and restart. Let me show you wall 2 with counts starting facing 6 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of 24 counts on wall 2. And you restart facing 12 o'clock. 好，现在我来为大家用中文讲解。第一个 section 右脚开始。旁有点朝右斜前方，跨旁回的时候右脚 flick 往后往上，跨旁1/8右转，后左脚绕面对1点半，后右脚绕1/8右转面对3点，后前点弯膝，前并左转跨回到12点。第二个 section 右脚到旁边。270往左边转，重心在右脚，左脚往前，现在面对3点，前往左边，后转右脚绕，面对9点，跨旁1/8右转，后面对10点半，走前右脚 hitch 1/8左转，旁面对9点。第三个 section 旁跨。旁右脚点到右斜前方，旁跨旁左脚点到左斜前方7点半，sway 弯膝，sway 左，sway 右，前面对7点半右脚 hitch 往左边后转后，往左边后转前面对7点半。最后一个 section 1/8左转还原到6点，旁跨旁并。跨旁后旁跨旁后，左脚 hitch figure 4， 后旁跨。那重新开始。这条舞在第二个方向跳完24拍有 restart。我来示范第二个方向，面对6点开始。With counts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 到这里24拍。第二个方向跳完24拍 ，restart 12点钟。